Hi everyone, this is Kamran Hussain. In this video, I am gonna teach you about index maintenance of Postgres database by the use of method 2. In this method, we will find out the bloated index by the use of some extension. So first we create an extension in Postgres database and then execute a select statement for find out the bloated index. After that we will reindex this bloated index. So in this practical session, first I will create a extension in Postgres database. In Postgres database. After that, I will execute the select statement against a specific table, that is person. By the use of this query, we can identify the dead tuples of our tables. Okay, so these are some dead tuples which exist in my tables. And now let's execute the second query which we have already discussed in our previous video, but we can find out these results by these two query also. So now after that we just execute the reindex on this table. Now let's execute the reindex on the index name of NIC. After that we will execute the reindex on the address. Whenever reindex has completed, then we will re-execute the same query again. If you check the previous result of the same query and let's compare the new result of this same query, both are different. The size had been reduced after performing the reindex on the table. So now we can easily find out the dead tuples and bloated index by the use of this query in Postgres database.